Okay, we're going to continue to add a north arrow to the map. So a north arrow is a dynamic element that indicates the orientation of the map. So on the insert tab, we're going to insert our north arrow. We're going to click the north arrow, down arrow, and select any north arrow from the gallery. And we're going to resize it. And drag it down here, and you can see the guides with the middle a little bit, and resize the north arrow and position it below the community anchor institution map frame, and press hold and shift key and select both of the north arrow and the north arrow and the Community Anchor Institute map frame. On the Format tab, we're going to click Align. So select this, click Shift, and then we're going to the Format tab, and we're going to click Align, Align Left. Perfect. And we're going to change the fill color to go to Property and north arrow symbol, yep, color into 60% of gray. Oh, come on, 60% of gray. Click Apply. Perfect. Now we have our north arrow. We're going to insert dynamic text and a title and a rectangles. We will finish the layout with some descriptive text elements and a decorative shapes. So on the Insert tab, we're going to click Dynamic Text. So Insert tab, Dynamic Text, and we're going to do down arrow and select spatial reference. Let's search spatial reference. Okay. Project layout system. Right here, spatial reference. Okay, perfect. And then, wow, my God, that's crazy. I don't need that many information, so we're going to delete. Right click the dynamic, right click on this. I don't think I'm gonna work on here, so I'm gonna move it here. So what I'm gonna do is drag this to the left. So spatial reference, we're going to right click this and select Convert to Graphics. And although the dynamic text is useful, in this case there is more information than required. We're going to remove some of the text so that it will show only the coordinate system information. So in the element pane, it's right here, added the text so that it matches the graphics. So we're going to do until projection. So we do have spatial reference, and then we have name. We do not need name. Okay, and then we do not need the datum. So PCS is NAD 1983 UTM Zone 12, and GCS North America 1983. We don't need the datum, and projection transverse Mercator. Perfect. And we're going to click Apply, and we're going to resize it a little bit. All right, perfect. And then we will move it back in here. So I don't need them all to be bold. General. Okay, so text symbol appearance, I don't need them to be bold. I think I just change it into Arial, and then click Apply. Okay, perfect. So, spatial reference. Okay, and then on the Insert tab, we're going to click Text, change Insert tab, we're going to click Text and change the text to Insert Text. Insert tab, and then click Text and change text. Where did the text go? Isn't it still too tiny? All right, here. Yeah, perfect. Just too tiny. And sometimes you just have to see maximum add. Oh, no, I didn't type it perfect. Maximum advertised download speeds Utah. Go up a little bit. Utah County 2004, 2014, 2014. And we're going to put this Utah County speeds, Utah County 2014 in a different line, and click the text symbol, and under the General tab, expand Appearance. So, okay, and Text Symbology and Appearance, and we're going to change it into Calibre with a C, Calibre, right here. And font regular, and then the size, it will be 18. Alright, and change the horizontal to align center, horizontal alignment. Where is alignment? Position, center, and then vertical alignment. It's this one. Okay, and we're going to center the element above the left map frame. So we're going to follow the same steps and create a title for the Community Anchor Institute map frame using the title Public Wi-Fi Status at Library Utah County 2014. Optionally, insert additional dynamic text elements that may be relevant, such as user, date, or project folder path. And let's do that first. This is maximize speed. Okay. Yeah, click yes. Oh, I forgot to do that. Alright. And Control C, Control V. I am going to put this here. And I'm going to do is public Wi-Fi. Okay. Public Wi-Fi status at libraries. Alright. And then all we need is we have this. I just don't know how to get rid of those. That's interesting. Okay, map frame. It didn't show up. Units reference. I still have to find a way to get rid of those. County of Utah Bureau of Land Management, the source. I don't know how to get rid of yet, sorry. But let's click Shift, and then we will go to where is our alignment, layout, format, align, perfect, align align middle. Alright, there. So align middle, we're going to put a rectangle. So on the insert tab, we're going to do insert tab. We will do this one, default polygon symbol. Okay, default polygon symbol, and we will select the 20% gray, 20% gray, 20% gray, transparent, transparent, extend indicator. Where is the no background, drop shadow background, 20%, 10%. Where is 20%? Surface, scheme 1, scheme 2. More. Let's just go to more. It's a lot easier. 20% transparent. Okay, and then click OK. And then I'm going to draw it here. So we draw 2 rectangle as the same width as the map frame, 5 inches, and position rectangle each map frame. In the contents pane, we move the rectangle elements below the text elements, show it as in here. Hopefully the page layout look good and all the elements are where they should be. And page layouts take time to create, and when done properly, we can communicate information effectively. The next step is share the layout. This is nice. We won't. I didn't do a perfect job. Oh. Where did my rectangle go? I thought I'm gonna draw. Insert. Rectangle. 20 parent. There. Where is my rectangle? What is the patch thing? Group elements. I group them. Alright, so transparent. Insert. Insert. Draw. Oh, drop shadow. This is drop shadow. Okay, rectangle. If I draw a rectangle, that's not right. If I draw a rectangle. There. Rectangle 1. Control C, Control V. Let's put another one here. There. And let's align. If I click Control, it will nudge for us. Alright. Snap. Okay, hit Control. Perfect. Alright. It looks nice, except the dots, this is really bothering me for the label. Let me see if I can right click on this and activate and navigate. Let me move around. Alright, so then let's change the position a little bit. So then in this case, it could be a lot better. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, zoom out a little bit.